As of now, we are doing different operations by using different functions. Number of functions are available in pig. Same data is there, cat data. This is my data. I want to convert third letter. I want to convert third letter to uppercase. Third letter only L, G, D, or else the third letter to next 4 letters I want to convert into uppercase. It's not available this function previously. Okay, I want to create my own function. How can you create a own function? Yes, how flexibility is there. Remember, in a Hive also, we are using external function. When we are using external function, we are downloading from Google, then we are using that function in Hive also. Seride, JSON Seride. That time we are downloading from Google. That function we are adding to our Hive terminal, then we are using it. Okay, how to develop our own functions? How to develop our own functions in Pig and Hive? Both the functions is possible. So the command to go to File, New, Java project. My UDF. Just I'm giving the name is my UDF. Finish. Yes. UDF created. My UDF. Step 1 completed. Step 2. Just I'm explaining. If you create a project in SRC, if you create a project in Eclipse, SRC folder is created. Inside that SRC folder, GRE file will be added. That's just explanation. Yes. If you create a project in Eclipse, automatically inside that project, one SRC folder is coming. SRC folder and JRE supporting libraries are coming. These are supporting libraries. Now step 3. In SRC folder, yes, add a package to the particular folder. How to add package? Right click on SRC, new package, package name. Right click on SRC, go to new option, package. Give me any package name. The conventions for package name is the word separated by dot. So just I'm giving my own name, com.org.do. Just I'm taking this name. You can take some other names, take it, not a problem. Finish. So step 3 also completed. Now step 4, add class to that particular package. How to add class? Right click on package, select a new class, Java class. Right click on package, new class. Give me class name. You can take any class name, not a problem. For example, I'm taking my class name. my class, finish. Not required any doing, any selecting anything, nothing. Class is created. That's it. So as of now, we're completing 4 steps. The 4 steps is not a big doing. This is just like a Java general project. How to create a project in Java? That is a concept only. Up to 4 steps. Now fifth step. Fifth step explaining. If we want to build a Java project, if we want to build a pig project, pig UDF, we want to add supporting jar file. You want to add supporting jar file. Okay, how to add supporting jar files? Before that one, we want to download jar file. What is the jar file name? Pigcode.jar file. This is a supporting jar file. If you want to develop your own UDFs, we want to add the jar file. So in this VMware, already the jar file is available. In this UDF, we have already the jar file is available. Okay, but I am developing my UDF in some other laptop. I have this Eclipse are available. I am going to develop the UDF that laptop. Not a problem. You can do it. But thing is, you want to download the jar file from Google. Download jar file, place it some location in HDFS in our VMware. Place some location, then copy paste, add it. Okay. In this VMware, you are using Eclipse, not required. Already jar file is available. Where it is available? In this folder. User lib pig. In this folder, the jar file is available. Okay. How to add jar file? This is a step. Right click on SRC, build path, configure build path. Configure build path, go to libraries, add external jars. Add external jars. Now here, where the path is user lib pig. In this pig code jar file, right? So go to this one, user, inside user lib libraries, inside libraries. Pig command. Yes, see here, pig. Inside library pig, inside pig code jar file. Yes, here already available. So directly I'm adding. Okay. Same thing I want to do to other laptop. Download from the Google. Even the newer VMware also available. Okay. See here, reference library is added now. Reference library is added. Previously there is no reference libraries. Now we added. So step 5 also completed. Yes. Coming to step 6 and step 7. What is step 6 and step 7? Yes, the step 6, step 7 explaining write the code and resolve the errors. What code? What is our requirement? Our requirement is I want to convert first letter, second letter, whatever it is, or else completely I want data converting into uppercase, or else second letter, third letter, fourth letter, I want converting uppercase. This is my requirement, right? So accordingly, I want to write a code, my own code. Yes. In this notepad, I already placed code also. Just come down. Codes are available. This is a simple code. Simple code that converting second letter to uppercase. First 2 letter to uppercase, this code. Okay. So one more point, important point is there. If we want to write pig UDF, must and should extends eval from class. Internet time also asking how to develop your own UDFs. General internet time also asking. Simply say by the extension eval from class. By the extending eval from class, I developed UDFs in pig. Okay, what is eval from class? Yes, eval from class is one of the abstract class. Abstract class. All fig functionalities are available in this eval from class only. Now we are implementing that eval from class in our own code. So if we want to develop UDFs in pig, we want to extend the eval from class. Eval from class. Eval from is one of the abstract class in Java. What is abstract class? Again, a Java concepts. What is eval from class? What is abstract class? Yes. Yes, Suman. I hope you knows. Right? It's only abstract methods. We have three different abstract classes and methods. We have the abstract classes there. That is again a Java concept, but don't confuse. Okay. Simply, if we want to if we want to develop UDFs in pig, simply we want to extend eval from class. So I'm doing the same thing. Extends eval from class. Same thing in my class also. Public class, my class extends eval from class. Extends eval from class. Okay. After that, now I'm taking the code as public string class name exac, just a class name, and tuple input. Yes, the tuple input. We will read the data as a tuple format only. Tuple input throws away exception, and this is a condition. If there is no data, return null. I don't want to terminate the code, return null. That's what I'm taking. Yes, here if condition. If the data is there, if data is there, now I'm loading those data into my str variable. Str dot string of input dot get 0. What is input dot get 0? This is the input class, tuple class. What is the data we are loading? All the data comes on storing into input. That input, the tuple format, now we are converting into string format. Java knows string only. Java don't know tuple or input. Pig knows. Pig knows tuple input, but Java don't know. No? That's where we are converting the tuple into integer string format in this line. Typecasting in Java. So simply we are load the data. After loading completed, now I am applying substring. What is substring? We already did in hive time also. Specific positions we want to extract. So I'm applying substring function here, and that substring function I'm applying to uppercase. To uppercase. So what happened? Data converting that first two letters to uppercase. First two letters. I don't want first two letters. I want yeah, second letter and third letters. Just for our convenient, I'm telling. Okay. That is first letter to third letter. I want convert it into uppercase. Yes, it's doing it. String to upper. You did the substring. Written uppercase and catch. Try catch. So this is a simple code converting the first letter or third letter to uppercase. Save it. Control C, Control V. Here some errors is coming. What is the errors? I want to resolve the errors. Yes. Right click on error. Right click. Go to quick fix. Click on quick fix. It's asking import eval from class. Yes. Click on it. Eval from class is there. Again some more errors is there. Right click. Quick fix. Unlimited methods. Okay. This is the methods. Quick fix. Create local variable input. Yes, we are missing something. What we are missing? We are missing, we are unable, we are not copying properly. This is the missing. Control C. Yes. Now right click, quick fix. Add to table input format again. Quick fix. Import iOS section class. It's automatically coming. How it is coming automatically? Again, one more error is there. For example, right click, quick fix, import tuple. How it is coming? Because we already added pick code.jar file. We already pick code.jar file. That's why it will suggesting automatically. Everything is coming completely. Now again, some more errors is there. Right click, quick fix, change it to substring. Okay. And finally, last error. Right click, quick fix, import via pod iOS session. Enter. Yes. This is completely all we have resolved our errors. So sixth step and seventh step also completed in our notepad. Sixth step and seventh step completed. Then eighth step. What is eighth step? We are exporting the UDF to particular location. How to export? Right click on project, export, select the path, export it. That's it. Right click on project, my UDF, export, select the button export, jar file, next, and go to browse. Where you want to select where you want to store your jar file. Select the path. I am deciding my jar file is in my desktop. Okay. And what is the jar file name? What is the jar file name? Jar file name is my UDF. Same name I'm taking. My UDF dot jar. Dot jar is mandatory. My UDF dot jar. Okay. This is the path coming. Now finish. Okay. Okay. Eighth step also completed. Select in your desktop. My UDF dot jar. Yes. Where is my UDF dot jar? You see here. This is a jar file I created just now. Up to now, one stage. After this, now I want to use the jar file. Previously, remember, I downloaded this one from Google. Now I created by my own. Okay. Now, how to use it? That one also I told I can clearly in my notepad. Go to ninth step. Register the jar file by the help of register command. Tell me, friends, how do we are adding Hive the jar file? The sed JSON sed by using sed command. By using sed command, we are adding jar file to our Hive. Now we are using register command. Register complete path. And where the jar file is available? The jar file is available in my local file system. But if you are using jar file as a multi-node cluster, the same jar file copying into your HDFS. Copy the jar file into your HDFS. Okay. I'm logging into pig. Now I am in grunt mode. I want to register. Register space complete path where your jar file is available. Complete path. My jar file available home training desktop. Same path. Desktop and the jar file name. What is the jar file name? My UDF dot jar. That's it. This is a complete path. Enter. Jar file is added successfully. Now next point. Next point. I want to load data into my pig bag. Bag one equal to I'm loading data. Load file name data using pig storage. Not required comma delimit also. As schema. Call one. Char array. Enter. Bag loading. We are loading the data. That's it. Nothing new. Account steps. 9th step completed. 10th step is optional. 11th step also completed just now. 11th step also completed just now. Now 12th step. Apply UDF into that jar file. Sorry. Apply UDF into that bag. How to apply the bag? Yes. Take another bag name. Bag 2 equal to for each bag 1 generate. Now generate. How to apply UDF into how to apply UDF? Yes, we want to take a package name com.org.div. This is the package name of my project. com.org.div. Package name dot class name. What is my class name? My class of call1 as CNT. That's it. Now what happened? What happened? If I press the enter, next bag is coming. Dump bag to what is coming? Only converted uppercase only coming. But I want to lowercase data also. Do small change. Okay, let's see first output. Then again we will do the changes. Just like this. The first two character, the second character, third character only converting to uppercase. But I want previous data also. Just add here call1. Call1 comma package name dot class name of call1. Enter. Now dump bag 2. Now it is coming. Yes, like this. Okay. Same PDF I can attach to my mail. I can send to you. You can download it. You can work on it also. Flexibility available. Okay. So this is the 10 steps. But in our regular classes, we are also using functions. But this function why class name dot package name dot class name like that? I want to give one name. I want to give one name to this function also. Simple. For example, summation is there. We are using SUM. Average is there. AVG. Similarly, this jar file also I want to give one shortcut name. How can I give it? Yes, 10th steps. Define. Give me one function name. package name or class name. Then you can use it less next time onward that function name only. For example, define uppercase na. So my upper, just I'm giving my UPP. Define my UPP. Then package name dot my class. Something missing. What? Syntax. Yes, yeah. Mm, yes. Class now, that's where we want to give it. Now next time, previously we did this one. Bag 2 equal to, for each bag 1 generate column 1 comma my class, everything is there. Remove this, simply my UPP. That's it. It's working. Enter. Data is replaced now. Same data now also. Dump bag 2. Same output is coming. What output? Previously this is output now. Same output also coming now this time also. This is complete EDF explanation. For example, right now I created bag, right? Now I dump function also created. I quit the pig. I quit the pig. The jar file is available. Next time I'm using the same function. Next time I can use it the same function. No, it's not possible. Once we quit the pig, everything gone. Again we want to restore the jar file. Again we want to restore it. Again we want to define it.